Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm being inspired by an autumn winter flower that is called Pansy, and if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. So today I am inspired by Pansy, the flower that is perfect for fall, and I've been looking at a few different color variations of the flower, and I think I found the one that I like the best, and it does involve 3 colors. I was originally thinking just to do 2, but because of the flower that I like, it has to be 3. I will be using a card in case I need to angle something perfectly. I don't know if I'm gonna need that yet, but I think maybe for the first color I will, just so I don't spill over, because I need to use a big fluffy brush. So the first brush that I'm going to be using is this. It's eyeshadow brush, big fluffy one. And I'm using 2 makeup palettes, but I'm using from the same brand. And the first color I want to go in with is Dimension, this one right here, and it's from the makeup palette Makeup Revolution Constellation. And what you want to do with this is focus it in your outer corner, but bring it up and fade it out like this. This is going to be your transitional color in between the darkest and the rest of the lid. Just keep it here and then maybe a little bit towards here, but don't bring it too much to the center, because the main color you want it to bring it almost all the way out to the side. So don't bring it too close to the center of your eye. Now I want to go in with the next color from the same makeup palette. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Constellation, and this time I want to go in with Mars, which is this one right here. And I want to be using a round firm brush for this, and this one goes just in the outer corner right here, and then a little bit underneath your eye. I think maybe just a quarter in or halfway in is what I want, and then just keeping it out here. Then I want to take a blender brush, and I'm using the eye blender brush from Essence that looks like this. And then I will blend, and if you need a guide, just pick up the card for when you're out here, but I think at the beginning you should just go with the flow and just bring it up and out. Now you want to go with the next eyeshadow palette, which is the Makeup Revolution's Game of Thrones Mother of Dragons. And I'm using the Persistence, which is this yellow right here. And for this, I will be using my finger. And I want that all over my lid, but I also wanted to meet this color right out here. So it is a triangle and it fades out this way. So mainly the lid and then fade it out into this color, and that's why I want to use my finger because it blends naturally with this. I don't have to go in and blend it with a brush later. A little pro tip when you're using your finger and you're dabbing on the reddish purple color that is going on right here, remember to wipe your finger after you've done that if you're going in on the very yellow part, because when you are blending the colors, the red and the purple will come on your finger and you will then put that here, which is something you don't want to do. The next thing you want to do is take your eyelash curler and curl your lashes. Then you want to put mascara on, and I am taking the Maybelline's the Colossal mascara that looks like this. Gosh. And I will be putting that on my upper lashes and the outer part of my lower lashes where we put the color, and that's it. Then I want to finish this look off with a small eyeshadow brush like this one, detail brush. And I want to go in with NYX's Strobe of Genius. And I want to put this purple right here in the inner corner of my eye. And then to finish everything off, it's time to put on some setting spray. And I am taking the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this. And there you go, this is the finished look. This is Pansy inspired makeup look. Now I do know that Pansies have a rounder petal, but the way the ombre effect on some of the flowers, or well, all of the flowers are, it fits with the more angular and straight line for this makeup look, but you can round it out if that's what you prefer. But this I think fits best with the ombre effect that the flower have of the different colors on each petal. And so that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my Makeup Wednesdays every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!